Hi, welcome to another edition of Shabbat Lounge. Today, this podcast is brought to you by our friends at Science. Kids, you may have seen us before in the books, on TV, on the internet. We brought you such things as vaccines, genetically modified organisms, chemical products for your lawn known to cause cancer in the state of California. Only in the state of California. Thank you for using Science. Well, thank you for that update and that ad for Science. Yep, it's true. Science has brought us many things, many bad things. For instance, asbestos. Yeah, that was a good idea. Didn't cause any problem. It was a good insulator. It's a good glue. We used it everywhere. So, the list just goes on and on about products and things that have been developed through the years that science gave us that doesn't always turn out to be a good thing. So, you don't have to do a whole lot of research and spend much time discovering that many things in our world that science brought us have been bad. You know, science brought us lots of pollution. Science has brought us a tremendous avalanche of paper products that were drowning in paper. Brought us gadgets like I'm using today that are addictive and we can't hardly keep our hands off of them. It's like crack cocaine for every person in the first world, modern world. We just can't get enough of technology and how it can make our life easier. And really, it makes our life more complicated, more expensive. But sometimes, yeah, it does give us more free time. You know, there's definite benefits that have happened in science. Make no mistake about it. I don't want to go back to, days before we had modern conveniences, because I find it pretty amazing. And I don't ever want to complain about those things. But there are some things in science that make you go, really? There's a lot of things, actually. And there's a lot of things that they come out and they say, this is great for you. Remember, there was, I am old. There was a time when people bought Fin and got you to do a bunch of weight loss. And it works really well. It was an awesome product. Turns out, we might have got people addicted to meth, a version of meth. That's why they lost so much weight. But there are so many things that come on the market, that come on the scene, that science brings, science promotes, and then later they go, oh yeah, remember that? Well, that's really bad for you. Don't do that anymore. Okay, thank you, science. Once again. So keep in mind, well, I'll back up. I was a science teacher for about 19 years of my life. Taught it, breathed it, lived it. I still love science. I love real science, real investigation, where you set up a control